Mommy ready?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Gotta wait for Uncle.
Okay.
Where's Uncle? You gotta wait for Uncle.
Uncle's here.
What about Grandma?
What about Grandma?
Is Grandma coming? You found that egg? Put it in your bucket.
You found that egg.
It's a real egg.
That's one that we colored, huh?
But it moved on.
Put it in your basket soft. With the egg. Put it in gently.
Go look for more.
Little Easter things.
Go look for more.
She's trying. Get the egg. You gonna get the egg? Get the egg.
Pixie, are you opening your eggs now?
Get it.
Pixie, go look for more eggs.
Get the egg. Yeah. Use your other hand too.
Don't forget your basket.
Too many plants in the way.
Here. She just wants to grab the grass. Get the egg.
Take your basket with you.
Look. You're gonna get the egg? Oh, burp.
It's okay, Pixie.
Come on, you can find
Get all the rest of them.
Don't you want to find more?
Find them before Paisley finds them.
Come this way.
What is that?
There.
Yeah, we eat them, but it's got a shell on it.
Put it over this way.
Go find another egg.
Oh, is there one up on the deck too?
Yeah.
Oh.
Cute.
Look out over that way too, and behind Papa. That's a real egg. You put it in your basket soft and gently. Walk around this way. Make her walk around that way. So there's one behind you.
That is an egg.
Oh, let Paisley get that one. Here, Dixie, there's a bunch this way.
Look in the grass.
Look over here and over there.
Right here. Found it. This one is for
She put her hat on her, huh?
Well, she's not going to be out here long.
That one's for Paisley?
That's nice, honey.
Oh, thank you.
Look over here, Pixie. There's one. Look, over this way. Oh, you found one in that hole. I didn't even see that one. Good job. Put it in your basket.
It's picnic.
It's okay. You could take that one. Come over this way, honey. Look here. Oh.
Put it in the basket.
Yeah. And go look over that way. Do you see some more? Go get it. Hey, take your basket. What else do you see?
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Look to your right. Are there more to be found?
Yeah.
Good job.
Mm.
Oh, wow, there's another one. It was in with all those pretty yellow flowers. It was hiding.
Ta-da!
Oh, you just almost, woo, you found that.
Look over there.
Let your sister get it.
Oh,
Good job.
there's another one. Look over there. On the bottom of the wall. Look at the bottom of the wall. Right there.
This is a stick.
But I wear my Easter striped shirt. Hey, Grandpa, you better count and see if there's anything left.
There is. I see some.
It does. I can't see it. I can't look for any.
You don't see any?
Where are they, Grandpa?
I don't know. Did you find one?
Mm-hmm.
Go put it in your basket.
Did you find one, Denver?
Did Ginger find one?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Feel it.
Miko, get out of there.
What is it?
I don't know. Ginger's just sniffing around. Come, keep looking. I don't think there's any up there. Come on. Down here. No, down here.
There's nothing up there.
Go look over by your pool.
My
See the
pool?
pool over there?
Oh,
Look around by the pool. Is there any by the pool? Look by the pool.
I did it.
You found one?
Did it this time, Grandma. And it, I used it.
Is there any more? Let's go count them. Let's see what we've got. Okay.
All done.
All done? Careful.
You found more? Can you find any more? Can you find some?
I think I see one.
You see it?
Dixie, look at me.
I think there's still a couple out there.
Hey, Megan, do you eat French toast or eggs? Okay.
Oh, look at that.
I'm kind of...
Whoa, that was.
Look, Pixie.
Yeah.
What's that?
Come on. You wanna see what it is?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. That's why we don't open them outside. Okay?
Mm.
I'll put it back in the egg.
Open it.
Geez, Easter Bunny. That's these eggs full.
Keep looking. Pixie, down here. Pixie. Come down over here. Come look over there. Okay, put it in your basket. We should probably have Mommy count the eggs. What do you got? What do you got?
Put it in my basket. Or your basket. Look.
Miss Wild Hair. Come here. Let's count them. Can you count? No, come over here and count your eggs.
Hi, Paisley. You
Pixie.
got an egg in your mouth?
Pixie, come on.
You want to grab Paisley's basket, Pixie?
Get him.
Stop down on the tip of the egg.
Yeah. Hey, get down. Have mommy count your eggs. Should
Go
be,
count with mom.
18.
no, there's more than that.
Well, 18 of the big ones.
There's 30 total.
30.
One.
Paisley got this one all wet.
Can you help your mom?
2, 3.
Dada count.
I don't know that she should stick
It's just like food coloring, right?
I don't know. Still, it's all like,
Oh, all
Gonna
over
get her
her
all
face.
blue and
Look at her. She's gonna Smurf mouth.
What's that, man?
you gonna hide behind him the whole time?
No, I didn't mean to.
Yeah.
He's blocking me on purpose.
Oh, rude. Jeez.